Day 14 of the Spanish GCSE Revision Challenge. No time to lose. Let's jump straight in to the computer. Hasta pronto, amigos míos.
GCSE Spanish 30-day challenge. Easy revision in 2-minute bite-sized videos. So in this video we're going to look at the use of I. Now I means there is or there are. Key thing, it means there is or there are. And it is an absolutely key expression. You're going to get the point. Yeah, it's a key expression. So in this video, we're going to look at I in all its glory. And we're going to do it in 4 different tenses. We're going to do it in the present and the future, and the imperfect and the conditional. So let's start off with the present. Here we go. So on the left we're going to have some Spanish, and here we go. There is or there are I, as I've just said. So on the left we've got some examples. Hay 1000 estudiantes en mi colegio. Whoops, I made a mistake there. It's en mi colegio. And underneath another example, hay mucha polución en mi ciudad. Now notice, there are 1,000 students in my school, so there are, and then the translation, there is a lot of pollution in my city, so there are and there is. Now we're going into the future, so habrá, keyword habrá, there will be. On the left, an example again. El año próximo habrá 1,200 estudiantes en mi colegio. Same mistake, I'm sorry, it should be en mi colegio. Next year, there'll be 1,200 students in my school. En el futuro habrá menos polución. In the future, there will be less pollution. A little bit rushed, I apologise for that. And now we're going on to the imperfect. Key word, absolutely key, había. And it means there used to be or there was. There used to be or there was. A quick example. En mi colegio primario solo había 200 estudiantes. In my primary school, there was only 200 students. Ayer había mucha circulación. Yesterday, there was a lot of traffic. Now we're moving on to the conditional. Now the conditional is habría, and that means there would be. So perhaps we've got a picture coming up there. So, en un mundo ideal habría, in an ideal world there would be. A little bit rushed at the end there, apologies for that, but you get the idea. Habría means there would be. Hasta pronto, amigos míos.